Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how can we start projects in Python. It is a basic project, just a downloader app using downloader and PDF downloader. First we can see the code and then I will explain how to import all the modules, download all the modules. You can see a lot of modules available here. Here, lot of modules available in pip. For that, first you have to install the pip module in your Python system. So first, you search a video how to install the pip, and you will get it. If I get it, I will give the link in description below. Okay, then then you have to install these things in from the pip. First I will give a demo how to use these things. First you can see here first future is available. You have to install the future module from pip, then only you can access it, otherwise it will throw an error. All the things already I downloaded and installed, but for you I will do it again. Just search pip install future, then you will get these things. Copy and paste it here. I pasted already. It runs and it gives something. It gives successfully install future. But in this version, I didn't have I didn't have wheel. Wheel is some module inside the future, but here we don't need this wheel, so we can ignore it. Otherwise we have to upgrade the pip and then we have to install it again. These kind of things will happen. So okay, first line we done it. Then utipdl, you just copy it, then give it here, pip install utipdl, then see what will happen. It will install all the modules inside the utipdl. Utipdl is module inside the pip package library. So it will take some time to install all the because each one have some amount of memory and libraries. See here it has 1.8 MB of things have to download. So then we those time we will use it here to explain here. In this module, I didn't just do big thing. Just I used the tcondar module and then I just downloaded the thing, all the things here in the pip. Then this is a window created using tkinter, and in this window, I have titled "Download your interesting YouTube video" or and PDF. I given it for that window. I given the sizes 600, 400. This is width and height. Then I give the background colors to whatever you like it. You give it. Then I will come to these functions. Then I given that print list is like that given. Then one is YouTube video, second is PDF download. You enter your option like that. I gave save it in the option. Then if option is 1, what we have to do? This is if condition. In this if condition given, based on that option I am selected, it will work. Label here is enter your URL. That is my label. And then grid is here we just given only one box, so column and row all the things are 0. Then I get it the name. What name we have to given inside that we will give a link for YouTube video that is stored here. Then name entered. These things are based on the size that box. what size it will appear like that, these things. Then button, in that button I gave the name as download video. And then button grid is column 0 and row 2. Based on your wish, you can give it this, and it will appear like that, whatever you given. Then you can see here if option is 2. If option is not 1, then it will come here. Whatever given here, all the things will come here. But only one difference is here, download PDF, not download video. Okay. Then if option is not these two things, then it will give sorry, there is no such kind of option. Then window main loop, this kind of thing will be looping. Then here how it will call this functions, I will given here as YouTube. This YouTube is this function, it will call here. Then in this YouTube video, we will easily download the YouTube video. Here it will get the what URL you have to enter. Here it will get it, and YDL dot download will download that video in your system. Then this will enter. Then PDF, if your option is download PDF, this PDF is called. Then here same thing will happen, but for YouTube video, for the steps, all the module, based on the module, all the things will work. Based on PDF, what action we have to do, request, response, all the things it will do here PDF. For that PDF, I name it as PDF1.pdf. Actually, this is path, whatever path you want to save it in downloads, documents, you can give it. I just given the name, so it will download it in my desktop. This is the actions happen when we after download these packages. So then we go to the command prompt. See here, it takes more time. See, it says successfully installed. Then we go see the next package, URL library. We just download. I already say that we have to download like that. So you can download it as your wish. Then we can run it. We can run it here. Run option is here. We can run it. You can see here it takes some time to run because we have a lot of modules like that. It will take it to the step, and then only it will process. You can see here list is printed. Just I printed these things for just user appearance, and I gave YouTube video my option. Then I entered. Now you can see here this is my simple app for download the YouTube video. See here it asking me the URL, enter your URL, download video. This is a button. After giving the URL, if I click the button, it will appear in my Windows desktop. See here I'm not having any video here. If I click If I give here a URL, it will download the video in my desktop. I'm just go to the YouTube and search some video like uh, 1 minute, 1 minute motivational video like that. See here. See here in this video, I just copy the link address and in this I paste it and then I'm downloading the video. You can see here it will downloading. Yeah, I think it is downloaded in my laptop now. Yeah, you can see here that 1 minute YouTube video is downloaded. This is in the format of MP4. Then no need of external any app like that. It just download whatever app you are available in your laptop. Based on that, it will download. You can see here it is downloaded in movies and TV in my laptop. Whatever you have in your laptop, based on that it will download it. Hope you all clear what are the requirements is needed for this app. Here you must install these all the things. For these all the things it requires a time. So I just ignored and just give a sample of YouTube DL and future example here in common prompt. For each one path, lib, request, shuttle, each thing you have to install from the pip using the command prompt. You just give pip install. If you have a doubt, you just comment me. Otherwise, you just search in your Chrome pip install this one. Then it will come. Then you can easily put it in your system and easily it will work. You can see here it is very easy to do it. Then if I click here and I can kill it, then I just run it again and show you the how PDF download is working. You can see here nothing, just here you can see here we can understand only this download video and download PDF button. From that only we can understand that. Then if you give the PDF download, for that you have to give the URL of some PDF, then you will get it downloaded in your system. You can give a path. Already I told that. Just I run it again and show you and choosing the option 2. You can see here I am choosing now PDF download. You can see here download PDF is my button. If I didn't give any URL and if I click, it will give the exception and errors here. This is the process of download an app. I hope it is useful and you are understand all the concept. This is mainly concentrate on a lot of them worrying about how to start a small projects in Python. If you take your career as Python, then you can start like this. Here actually this YouTube and PDF downloader, each one is small project. I combine this one in Tkinter somewhat appearing manner. In this one, I didn't do much. Just I gave the background color and this one. You can learn Tkinter and you can decorate it more. It will be appear more powerful and more. useful way for user. This is easy and simple to use it. Thanks for watching. Hope it is useful. If you find it is useful, like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.